Hi guys, so today we'll be unboxing the ElimuTab ET03 model and find out what's really inside. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you get is this warranty service card, which you use to get your repairs and updates when you come to the ElimuTab shop or wherever you bought it. Yes. The second thing you get is this extra screen protector, which you can replace with so that your screen is protected at all times. And it's just peeling it off and applying it to the tablet itself. The next thing you get is the actual tablet itself, the ET03. This is in the color blue with the puffed casing and the beautiful cute stickers. And this is how it looks like. This is how you hold it. Yes. And this is the handle or the stand, which you just pull like that and it will be able to stand by itself when you're using it. Yeah, and you just easily return it like that. The next thing you get is the straps, which you can attach on both sides, here and here, so that you can hang it somewhere. And the straps are adjustable. The next thing you get is a pen. And this pen is interesting because it comes with a tip which you can use to maneuver on the screen of the Elimu tablet while you're using it. And you can also write with it. The next thing you get is a charger head and the charger cable, which is a USB-C cable, which you use to charge your tablet. And you have to charge your tablet 6 hours before so that it can be used. The next thing you get is the user manual, which will be able to give you info on how to work with the Elimu tablet, the apps and the settings and all. You also get these 2 license keys for the Loho learning with the activation code there, and the DALS learning for PP1 and PP2. Here you get a pamphlet with the app guide showing you the different apps that are in the tablet, including Not Limited to, Parental Control, you have Akili Kids, Superbook, Word, Office, Excel, PowerPoint, all that, and many more on the tablet. And the second last thing you get is a happy fun thing, which is a toy for your child. Comes with a clock, a pouch, and some glasses, some funny cute glasses they can wear and have fun. The last thing you get is this AR zoo, which shows the animals, and here it shows the names of the animals in different languages, English and Arabic. Yeah, so basically that's what comes in the ET03. Can't wait for you to purchase yours. Make your child a genius.